Hey everyone! Welcome back to AI Unlocked, the channel where we don't just talk about AI, we live it. Today's episode is something a little different. I let AI control my entire life for 24 hours, from what I eat, to what I wear, to where I go, to what I work on. Everything was up to the machines. Was it helpful? Horrifying? Hilarious? You're about to find out. So hit that like button, subscribe if you're curious or concerned, and let's dive into the weirdest day I've ever had. So I kicked off the day with ChatGPT acting as my life coach. I prompted it as, give me a healthy and productive morning routine. Here's what it said. Wake up at 6:30 a.m. Ouch. 10 minutes of gratitude journaling. 15 minutes of meditation using an AI-guided app. Cold shower for 2 minutes fearful. Breakfast. Protein smoothie with chia seeds, oats, banana, and almond milk. I'll admit, I felt good after, annoyed, but good. Next up, what should I wear? I used Fineshare AI Stylist plus ChatGPT. I uploaded a photo of my closet and asked, what's my fit for today? It suggested a navy hoodie, light jeans, and white sneakers. The twist? It recommended I match my outfit mood to my calendar tasks, productivity fit. Honestly? Not bad, I looked sharper than usual. Now for the fun part, food. I used ChefGPT and Whisk to plan all my meals. I told it, I want high protein, low sugar, and I don't want to go grocery shopping. Here's what it replied. Breakfast. The smoothie from earlier. Checkmark. Lunch. Tuna quinoa salad with lemon tahini dressing. Dinner. Chickpea curry with brown rice and cucumber salad. Snacks. Apple plus almond butter. Greek yogurt with honey. Verdict. The food was amazing, but cooking everything from scratch? I doesn't respect laziness. Fitness time. I asked Fitbod AI and Cure.fit coach to design my 30-minute workout. It gave me a strength session with bodyweight squats, push-ups, plank holds, stretch cool down. Then I finished the day with Calm AI for a sleep meditation. It customized a session based on how tense and overstimulated I felt. Spoiler. It was weirdly spot on. The whole experience honestly was not bad at all. Here are some pros and cons of this experience. Pros: super structured, surprisingly healthy, got more done than usual. Cons: no room for spontaneity, some weird suggestions, like, call an old friend at 3:07 p.m. But the real question is, could you do this? Would you trust AI to run your day? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you enjoyed this experiment, like, subscribe, and let me know what other challenges I should try. Maybe AI plans my vacation. Or runs my business for a week. Thanks for watching. This is AI Unlocked, and I'll see you in the next one.